Yo, yo, yo. It's Monday, June 23rd. I'm about to mark up the charts right now. We had a lot of news over the weekend. So I'm still looking to get some wins today. But I am going to be a lot more cautious than normal. So, yeah, let's get it. Starting off the day with this account up $802.50. Of course, it's demo. But I want to treat this as a real account. Still only risking $100 to $200. All right, 5 minutes until the open. Let's see what price action gives us. All right, y'all, we gotta push through the first presented fair value gap to the upside. Sell side liquidity has been taken. So I'm gonna take a buy and see where things go once we get a bounce. Just added one contract. The market is moving a little crazy right now. It's moving quick, grabbing liquidity. Um, yeah, I just hope we get a follow through here. If not, it's good, but I'm pretty happy with my entry. So whatever happens, I'm good. We're almost at take profit one now. Um, Pretty happy with my entry so far. We are about to hit a 1 hour sell side fair value gap. It has already been tapped, so I'm expecting at least for it to go to the 50% of the gap, but we'll have to see if it wants to push through right now, or you know, let's see what happens here. Still really don't want to push my stop up, but it's kind of done the damage here to where I feel pretty confident and comfortable just cutting some risk right now. Um, I just know right now the market could be super volatile and it might want to come tap this one more time. But my hope is that it would at least be stopped here at the 15-minute buy side fair value gap here before it wants to do anything. So my hope is that we just push through. We're in the 950 New York time macro, so should get just a slight pullback here and push through. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off two here, be a little bit more conservative. If we get up there, take off two, stop at break even, or I'm actually gonna put it right under here, under the 15-minute buy side fair value gap, and then yeah, I'll just let one of them run. Let's see if we could get a push through here. I like to get these prior to 10 o'clock, just in case we get some type of a reversal, but overall I am bullish, so my hope is that the reversal does not come to where the market turns all the way back around. So. I don't know what it is. Something's telling me to pull a couple off right now, or at least one. Um, yeah, I'm gonna pull one off now. Take a little profit. Normally don't do this, but sometimes you gotta listen to your intuition because I've had too many times where it goes the other way. So I'm gonna pull one off now. Put this to one. Bring my stop up right below the 15-minute. Some just told me to pull one off. Sometimes you just gotta listen. Like, you just never know, to be honest with you. And then 10 o'clock is coming up now. We still haven't taken that. Um, Part of me wants to cut the trade here, but I'm going to let it do a little bit more before I do that. Um, it's done the damage in this 15-minute fair value gap here. So, yeah, what I think I'm going to do, because there's a lot of area here, here. There's a reason why this didn't go deeper, because should be a balanced price range up here. So I'm gonna pull my stop here. And if we want to break through all this, then it is what it is. I'm confident we're still going to go higher, but something in my mind, sometimes you don't want to operate in fear, but you do want to be mindful. You know, your subconscious can kind of, you know, give you little hints and clues sometimes of things that you should do. Sometimes you listen to it, sometimes you don't. In this case, I peeled one off early and sold a contract early just because, you know, I've gotten those thoughts before and the market has literally turned all the way back around on me. So, um, in this case, it worked out. TP1 is hit. So I still got one running and it's pushing. So in this case, I could have held, but you know, it's a few points, but I'll be all right. I'm happy I didn't take off two at that time. So we're good. We're up a little over $200 right now for the day. So I want to let this run. Right now, I'm just debating if I want to go full pool all the way to my take profit, or do I want to cut things right now, or not right now, but you know, coming up here at the 50% level of the gap. I'm confident that we're going to continue to move higher. You know, I don't want to be greedy, but at the same time, you know, I'm pretty confident in where we're at. So I'm gonna let one run. I'm actually gonna pull my stop here. We should be solid. We should be solid. We should be solid. We should be solid. Okay. Base hits. Just growing the account, man. This is the part, and this is what I said in my first video. This is the part of the journey that I skip every time. Demo trading. I feel so much more confident. You know, granted, it's not real money. I'm treating it as real money, but it's a different level of confidence and finding consistency, just finding the setup, getting into the trade, not worried about taking a trade, and just you know, waiting for your setup, waiting for turtle soup, waiting for the inversion, you know, things of that nature. I didn't even look for SMT today. I didn't really need to. You know, I think it probably would have been helpful just to get more of an idea of what's going on. But I mean, you don't necessarily need them, but it does. You know, they do work. But you know, in this case today, like, just took it off the grab liquidity, the first presented fair value gap after 9:30, and went from there. So I might step away and just let the market do what it do. Just locked in $300 for the day. I'm gonna let this one run, so I'll be back. All right, y'all. I'm still in the trade. I'm holding for a full pull. I'm pretty confident it's gonna get there. I don't know if it's gonna, come back down and stop me out first, but I'm just gonna hold it, see what it do. We're in it. We're inside this 1 hour sell side fair value gap, so it's a pretty big gap. So I mean, I'm still pretty confident though that we're gonna continue to push. So all right, y'all. It's 11:09 New York time. I'm starting work pretty soon here. Just got a really good workout in, which is why I'm breathing hard. But yeah, still in the trade. I'm just gonna really let this one run. If it wants to continue to go up, I'm gonna let it run. I have a reminder here. If I am working, I'll pop back on here just to let you guys know how things are looking. So I have a reminder or an alert set here. Also have an alert set here, which price got really close to, but never went down. Just a break of this order block here. Looks like we're starting to run back up. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to raise my stop loss a little bit, lock in more profit right here. I don't see the market coming back down. If it does, then shoot, I'll lock it in for a little under $400 of profit today. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. If I do get the alert here, I'll get back on, and I'm still in profit, but just won't have the full move that I'm expecting for the day. And it may not even get all the way up there today, honestly. So I will get back on here a little bit later. If we're like floating in this area later in the day, before 4 p.m. New York, then I will. I'm just gonna cut the trade. But for now, still holding. And we did get a break of structure here. Never broke this order block. I would like to see a break of these here, and I think we'll be good to go. So for now, just gonna hold. And yeah, I'll be back on in a moment. All right, y'all, I got stopped out. I think it's still gonna run. I might have put my stop a little bit too close, but it is what it is. Yeah, I might have trailed a little bit too soon, just because we have relative equal lows here. Drop down. It's all good. Yeah, just based on this leg, like we're still in premium of this area, so I'm just gonna take it. I did have a great trade. It just trailed my stop a little bit too soon. I do think we're gonna continue to move up. I could be wrong, but I was pretty confident in this one, so still great trade though. Still great. This is my executions here. Got in here. 2 contracts in one. One here, one here, one there. Left a little money on the table, but overall it was a great trade. Yeah. Just trying to really, some of them I'm really trying to push myself and push the trades, just to see like how far can I stretch everything as far as my trades are concerned. So, but everything looked good. So, yeah, still a win. So right now my account, I'm up. That was another $430 today, roughly. So in 3 days, up $1,230.50 on the demo. Started with 10K. So I'm doing pretty good so far. Just gonna keep it consistent. But in the meantime, please like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate y'all being with me today. And yeah, let me know if you guys want me to go live. It's something I've been thinking about. Just not, kind of want to stay consistent with one thing. But if you guys want me to go live, I'm happy to do that. And shoot, we can, learn this together. Take wins, losses. So just let me know. But just remember, this is on a demo account. I will be transitioning to a live account when I feel like I'm ready. My goal is kind of to double this account. Even if I'm up 5 or 6K in the near future. I'm saving up a little bit just to be able to put more money into a live account. So we'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, enjoy the rest of y'all day. And I'll see y'all next trading day. Peace.